Meteoheroes. We can use the rain, we can use the wind, we can use the snow, watch the clouds come in. Listen to the thunder, look at that lightning, even change the temperature, come on, it's so exciting. Saving the planet, working together, helping each other. Meteoheroes, fighting pollution, saving the nation, that is our mission. Meteoheroes. Each other, Meteoheroes, fighting pollution, saving the nation, that is our mission. Meteoheroes.
Hey guys, did you know Italy has more works of art than any other country in the entire world? We're pretty lucky to live here.
We're lucky to have such a sunny day. I'm gonna go get a sweet tan.
Or a sweet sunburn. You should put some sunscreen on, Giorgio.
Oh? Oh no!
See? You should have taken more provident measures.
You want Giorgio to be a type of cheese?
Not provolone, provident. It means planning ahead.
Attention! Attention, Meteoheroes!
Transformation!
Meteoheroes! Saving planet Earth!
Attention! Attention!
Ciao, Meteoheroes. Today's mission won't take you too far from home.
You're staying in Italy. Rome, to be exact. Practically next door to our MEC and Gran Sasso Mountains.
Rome!
But this won't be a trip down memory lane. Heavy acid rain is corroding Rome's ancient Colosseum. A rogue factory is releasing record amounts of pollution. The wind is carrying these toxic fumes all over, infecting every cloud they touch. Infected clouds produce acid rain that melts everything. If we don't stop that factory, the Colosseum will surely melt.
Why do people care so much about a little bit of vinegary drizzle? Haven't they heard of umbrellas?
We must hurry, Meteoheroes. We can't risk losing the Colosseum. It's a national landmark. That's why I'm sending 4 of you on this very special mission. Rome is your city, Thermo. I want you on this mission. Neeks, Pluvia, Ventum, you're all joining him. We can't take any chances.
Ready, Meteoheroes? Destination...
Yeah, Ventum, you're all joining him. We can't take...
You actually remembered to bring an umbrella?
See? See? I can be provolone when I want to be.
Provident, not provolone. Ah!
Tempest said the factory fumes travel on the wind and spread.
Hey, what's that?
Maculin's inbound! Mega Gust! Epic!
What?
Too fast! I need backup!
I can't back up when I can't see.
And look at that X on the factory! It's Dr. Makina! We gotta warn the rest of the team!
Sneaks, we located the factory! It's next to the riverbanks outside Rome! See what you can do to stop that factory! We'll catch up with you soon! Ah!
We can't leave the Colosseum! Thermal ray! Snow dome for the win!
The snow dome should hold until the storm is done. Now let's find the others. If we follow the river, we should arrive at the factory Pluvia found. Arrive at the
the factory Pluvia found.
Ice surf! Surf's up!
Decode. It produces polluted fumes that's causing acid rain to fall on Rome.
Sorry. Let me see what I can do. Fellas, we've got to shut it down.
Great job, Pluvia! But how are we gonna get rid of all these leftover toxic fumes?
I could blow the fumes away.
No, Ventum. That would just spread the acid rain all over Italy.
I think I can disperse the fumes, but we'll need something to collect the acid rain.
I think I know what we need.
Upside Snow Dome!
Thermal ray!
Perfect pouring rain!
No! You Mac, you lazy! I'll blow you away!
We got to get that acid rain somewhere so we can dispose of it safely.
Only a giant can move that.
Luckily, we know one. Giant
Thank you for opening our eyes, Meteoheroes. We didn't know how much harm we were doing to the environment.
Just keep them open. Time for an epic selfie.
Bravissimo!
Coliseum is safe forever, and the air is clean.
Now I can work on my tan!
I guess you'll have to